kia đi pram hai vi cho cá nam pi qua na thầy buồn mê riêng đi pram muối Sa ô đôi chia thôn sông răng Sa ô đôi chia cốc Sa ô đôi chia thay Lồm rắc mê riêng Sa a đôi chia ca Sa ê đôi chia sắt Sa ai đôi chia trời Sa ơ đôi chia tóc Sa ơ đôi chia chư What is your name? My name is Rachana. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Cambodia. Where do you study English? I study English at Edward International School. Where do you live? I live in Sanitary Village. What is your friend name? My friend name is Nafa. What is your nationality? My nationality is Cambodia. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is English book. What time do you get up? I get up 6 a.m. What is your father's name? My father's name is Saiha. What is your job? I am a student. How do you go to school? I go to school motorcycle. What do you want to drink? I want to drink milk. What is your father? What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Chita. What food do you like to eat? I like to eat burger. What fruit do you like to eat? I like to eat banana.